LYRA, Long Yield Rendezvous with Asteroid. One Eye Oumuamua. One Eye Oumuamua needs no introduction to space nerds. It's the interstellar visitor, which ripped through our solar system on a hyperbolic orbit in 2017, which was detected by the Pan-STARRS network. It is still the focus of research, and we have learned more. For instance, we now have the data point of 2I Borisov from 2018. The consensus on this is quite firmly an interstellar comet, but One Eye Oumuamua is weird. Here are 10 reasons why One Eye Oumuamua is weird. Number 1. It lacks many of the key distinguishing features of a comet, such as a coma or tail. Contrasted with the other interstellar object we know, 2I Borisov, which is certainly a comet, as expected. Number 2. It really doesn't outgas, as none of the usual outgassing species were detected. These are water, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and cyanide. Number 3. It has a weird cigar or pancake shape which shouldn't stand the rigors of space. Our only known examples approaching such shapes are Kuiper Belt objects. Number 4. It is a highly reflecting object, comparable to a silicaceous asteroid such as Vesta. Number 5. It is tumbling chaotically on 2 axes, which was what enabled us to interpret its light curve and therefore deduce its shape. Number 6. Its incoming trajectory is in the local standard of rest. Its divergence from the local standard of rest is close to 0 with respect to U and W. That means it does not go either up or down in the galactic plane, and neither is it moving closer to the galactic center or away from it. Its small forward motion with respect to V gives us an image of a steady elliptical orbit around the Milky Way. Number 7. It went past the Sun on a trajectory which resembled a gravity assist maneuver. It moved inside the orbit of Mercury to get the maximal gravitational sling boost. Borisov, by contrast, only got as far as Jupiter. Number 8. It gained an extra impulse at perihelion from some as yet unidentified source. Astronomers say there are plausible conjectures of natural phenomena such as ablating ices, but these are somewhat contrived conjectures and not confirmed by any actual evidence. Number 9. It's red, which just means it could be literally anything. Number 10. When interstellar objects were first predicted, it was thought we may have to wait 10 years to see one. One Eye Oumuamua and 2I Borisov showed up in the first 2 years. Borisov was a comet, as expected, but Oumuamua was not. One good thing about Oumuamua, as opposed to any other suspected extraterrestrial signal, is that it's still reachable from Earth with a gravity assist from Jupiter, but only for the next 7 years. We can debunk or confirm aliens by just going to have a look with LYRA. At LYRA, we mostly believe that it's probably natural, but we still want to look. Practical plans. Such a mission can be put together in a 7-year time window, which for the industry is urgent, that is, full on working hard to make a short deadline, but however, it is doable. Falcon Heavy is the ideal vehicle from the point of view of its price. It's relatively cheap. From its reliability, it has been flight proven on many missions, commercial missions. It has adequate Delta V, but however, if Starship Delta V comes online, it would be preferable perhaps to ensure the success of the mission. It would be a private space launch operation and would proceed from a contract with SpaceX. The cost of such a launch would be approximately 200 million American dollars. Money could be saved on the probe by assembling it from standard parts to shorten the development time frame. Although the time to rendezvous may be over 30 years, which is too long in the future for some of us, the distinction between natural and artificial might be proven in just a few years as LYRA gets closer observations. There are 5 ongoing Comet, Asteroid or KBO missions, and 5 more planned for the future. Oumuamua is not a priority for funding. Therefore, LYRA is engaging in this program of public outreach to generate greater awareness. If you think LYRA's mission to Oumuamua is worthwhile, please join up, donate, and advocate. Thank you. Contact LYRA on i4is.org.